Hi guys, welcome to today's video and welcome to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Nearly at the 500 mark and then we shall push for the 1000 mark. Okay, so apologies for lack of content over the last few months. There's been lots of exciting things happening, some new additions to the family and lots of projects happening and other bits and bobs, and not really had time to make any videos. But anyway, we're back. Should have regular content, and today's recipe is Italian wraps. A quick, cheesy, flavour-packed meal you're going to love. We're using juicy mincemeat, rich tomato paste, smooth cream cheese, and a touch of Italian magic with oregano and garlic powder. Melted mozzarella ties it all together in a nice, warm, golden wrap. Perfect for lunch or dinner. And here's what you'll need. Right then guys, so for this one, we're going to need 200 grams of mozzarella cheese, 30 ml of some tomato sauce. Now we're going to use some in the minced beef and some on top of the wraps. Teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of oregano, and teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, about 60 grams of cream cheese. I've got 400 grams of minced beef and about 5 wraps. And that's it for this one. So let's make a start. Okay, so into a pan, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. We're going to let that warm up and then we're going to add the minced beef. Alright, that pan's warmed up. So put the beef in. Okay, that's cooking nicely. I've had a lot of juice come out of mine, so before I continue with the next step, I'm just going to drain a little bit of this juice off. Okay, that's better. Right, now we've got that brown off. Adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Now mix that in. Okay, next I'm going to add the cream cheese. And again, just mix that in until it's combined. And then in with the oregano, garlic powder, which has gone a bit clumpy, and the salt, and mix all that together. Break some of them clumps of garlic up. And all we need to do now is just let that simmer for 6 minutes. Okay, that's had 6 minutes. Take it off the heat. Right, now time to build the wraps. So the wraps I've got are larger wraps. So this may make 5 large wraps, or you might need smaller ones. We'll see how many we get. What we're going to do, a little bit of tomato sauce down here. And scoop some meat across. So, and then some mozzarella cheese on the inside. Now for the bit I'm never very good at. As we are going to roll him up like so. And then just on a baking sheet, and I can pick it up without it falling to bits. Just going to pop him on a lined baking sheet. Just like that. I'm going to do that with the rest. Right, so yes, I got 3 large ones, so if you're using the smaller wraps, I would say you would get about 5. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of tomato sauce on top of each one. And then just push them like that. And for the final touch, a bit more cheese on top. Okay, so I'm going to pop these in a preheated oven at 180 for 10 minutes. Now if you've done small ones and they fit in your air fryer drawer, you can do it the exactly same. You can use the air fryer instead of the oven. These don't fit in my air fryer, so it's the oven. And there we are, fresh out the oven. These have had just over 10 minutes. So right, let's get them off here and plate them up. With these being so big, I'm going to cut them all in half. Let's have a look. Ooh, absolutely yummy and gooey. There we go, a lovely filled centre if the camera focuses. Right, now for the tasty test. Might be a bit hot. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. That is absolutely delicious. I know it's that nice, Bear. Even you want some, don't you? Yes, okay, okay. Wow, it's like lasagna and pizza all in one. It's absolutely beautiful. Yes, definitely recommend giving them a try. My fluffy woofies definitely wanting to try some. No, they're too yummy for you. Okay, so yes, absolutely amazing flavour. It's like a lasagna and a pizza all in one. If you love them foods, you are definitely going to love these wraps. As you can hear, the dog's got some opinions on them. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you've tried them and what you think, and please consider subscribing and leaving me a thumbs up. Really helps to spread to new people. And we'll catch you all in the next one. Love you, bye.